Hi everyone, this is Chris from chrislahay.com, and today I wanted to go through the process of installing a free SSL certificate on a WordPress website and making sure that the website forces everyone to your secure version of the website. Today I'm going to use truecrimepages.com as my guinea pig. It's a WordPress website I set up back in 2016, did a bunch of writing for, and just really haven't got around to doing anything with it. But it'll prove an excellent case to show you how to do this. As you can see, I tried to access the secured version of True Crime Pages, and it tells me that my connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal information, for example, password, messages, or credit cards. So in order to get rid of that nasty message, we're going to go to SSL4free.com, as you can see up here in the URL, and generate a 90-day certificate. Now all their certificates are for 90 days, and if you haven't already created an account, it's going to ask you to create an account when you create your first certificate. It is 100% free forever. It's widely trusted, and you'll enjoy the SSL benefits, as they say, protecting user data and gain trust, improve search engine ranking, because the secure versions have become a lot more vital for SEO, and it prevents various forms of website hacking. So what we're going to do is we're going to put truecrimepages.com in here. This is where you would put your domain name, and it's going to go through the process of verifying that you either own the website or you have admin rights to the website and are able to do a few essential things. So let's click Create Free SSL Certificate, and it's going to give us 3 ways that we can verify this account. One, you could do an automatic FTP verification where you'd enter in FTP information, and it would upload files and be able to generate what it needs to generate to verify. Manual verification, where you download 2 files and upload them to your website in a certain directory, which is what we are going to do. But there's also, if you're comfortable with working with your DNS server, you can create a text record and verify it that way. By far the easiest way to do it, especially if you are comfortable in File Manager and cPanel, is to use the manual verification. Okay, so as it tells us, it's going to get domain verification files by clicking the button below, manually verifying the domain. We can upload those 2 files, and then it will generate the SSL certificate. So we have clicked the button, and what it's going to ask us to do is download these 2 files. We'll download those, and we're just going to save as. Okay. Now it's asking us to create 2 folders, the well-known and Acme Challenge, so we can verify the files once they're uploaded. So we'll go to the cPanel account, we'll click on our file manager. We need to navigate over to the public.html, and as you can see, I've already created the well-known and the Acme Challenge. So we will click Upload. Upload those 2 files. They're very small. And there we go. They're 100% up. We will go back to cPanel. But now it's asking us just to check to make sure that we can see those. So we'll open those up in the new tabs. And what you'll see is just text. So that one looks good, as does the second one. All right, perfect. So once you have those uploaded, create your SSL certificate, or download SSL certificate. It's going to reach out, verify those files, and then create your certificate. Okay, 2 ways you can do it. You can do the copy and paste method, which is what I prefer, or you can download all your SSL certificate files. But we're going to copy and paste for this one. So we'll go back to our cPanel for this account, type in SSL, and install and manage SSL for your websites. Now if you don't already have a certificate in there, it will have, generally cPanel will generate a self-generated SSL certificate that's really not secure, and people don't trust it. Most sites don't trust it. So we're going to install this. So we will click the domain that we want to do, and then for the certificates we're going to copy and paste. There's 3 sections to copy and paste. So the first is the certificate, the CRT. The next is the private key. And the last but not least is the CA bundle. Okay, so let's install the certificate. And so you've configured everything. Perfect. So now it's secure. Now if we go back to that original page that we started on and hit refresh, it will now show the secure icon. Okay, so there's the web page itself. And a couple other things that we want to do is go into the WordPress admin section and update the URLs. So we're going to go to our settings. We're going to go to general and update that to the HTTPS version and save changes. Now this is going to kick us out and make us log back in. Or it should have, because we're at a new site. So generally generally what will happen is it will kick you out, but I've already installed a certificate on this in the past, so it trusts it. But generally that will kick you out and make you re-sign in. So let's just log out, get out of there because we're done. Okay, so if we were going to go to a unsecured version of the website without the HTTPS, it is still going to allow us to go there. And you can see that it's showing that it is not secure. So what we want to do is, and you may not, in all cases you may not want to do this, but for this purpose we do want to force it to go to the secure. In order to do that, we need to do a quick change to the htaccess file. So we're going to go back into our file manager and navigate to the public HTML, and we're going to edit the .htaccess. Want to add a little bit of code into this just before the WordPress, and that is to force it to HTTPS. Now I found this on DreamHost, so I will link to the article. I will link to the article in the description below, so you can copy and paste this. But we're just going to copy that and paste it into our htaccess file. Save the changes. And if we go back to that not secure and refresh the page, it should now force us to the secure version of the website. And it does. So now this has the SSL certificate and is forcing all users to go to that page. Alright, so if you have any questions at all, or you'd like any help installing SSL certificates, please feel free to contact me at chrislehey.com or leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, please like and share it. It definitely helps others find the video. And of course, subscribe for future video updates. Thanks so much, and have a great day.